Holy crap, it's frozen to the brake pad, or brake shoe. Beat it off. So I'm doing brake shoes because, see the problem? 69,000 original miles. Oh yeah, she's froze. I'm gonna go try to get it free, but you know, no guarantees. Alright. You got the adjuster moving. See, it's threaded and it screws. And she was rusted up. But I got it moving. I won't know what to do. The wheel cylinders, brakes, hoses, belts. Just get fluids. I haven't done a trans service yet. I did do where I pumped out fluid and added new. But I haven't dropped the pan and changed the filter. I will be doing that. I don't know if it's had it done or not, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. I want to give this car a good long life, best as I can. We'll just stick it in, leader, screw up. Stick both of these in. We'll go ahead and tighten them up. Put a little NICs in here where this rides. Alright, now we're going to hook our parking brake back in this back side. Just goes in this slot. We're going to line that up. Let's put that back in. And it goes, the spring here facing the front. This side of the right. something here. Straight to the bottom of the bed. There's one. Now, this little guy, he has to hook in there and pull over. To this. Come on. Look at it. Now, let me adjust my pliers all the way down. A little more. That should be enough. And it will come. Come on. Onto that one. Like so. The other one. Come on. Line up. There we go. So there's a plug in the wheel cylinder. Guess it wouldn't let me compress it. Alright. And this spring goes in here. It stretches back up there. Here. I do have the tool for this. Yeah, it's sitting down here beside me to stretch the springs and see. I just don't. I don't care for it. I guess I could use the tool. It kind of goes like so, and you can hook it around. You know. Look at you. Come on. There we go. Sweet. Those are seated nicely. The pins are straight. It's holding it in. Adjuster's on. Now, let's test fit our drum. Drum is on here really tight. The adjuster needs to go in more, which we'll do at the bottom. Gotta beat them to even them out. Alright. Well, and our drum fits really nice now. Cool. So our drum fits nice. I like it just kind of a hair tight. So now I need to put the spring into this adjuster here. It's for the parking brake adjuster. Just like that. Cool. Now we're ready to get this slide up. What's up? Rest ridge. These turns. It's got good drag. I'm not having to work hard to turn it. There's some rusty drums. I couldn't get drums, so no one could turn them. So they went back on, so I get the car back together. I do have some on order, and we'll be replacing them later, but she needed brake shoes. Alrighty, so that's how we do drum brakes. I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, like this video. If you didn't, comments, just let me know. And you have a wonderful day.